In this video, we will have a look on how to use prongs settings here into the GeoWorldCraft add-on there. So first of all, you have to understand that to use settings, you need to have already a distribution of gems, or at least one gem. But what we will do, I will just add here a gem, and we will make a distribution here. You know already how it works. So I will add a gem. Maybe I will take something a little different here. I will take topaz, let's say. And so with this gem, I will select the curve here. I will put it here in a new collection. You know already the process. It's always good to classify everything. So I take this here, and then I select this and this after, and make the distribute on curve here. So we know already that I will use the -90 for the tilt, manage the offset to put it just here. So like that. Okay. And I will increase the size. So maybe something like this. It might be okay. So we will see two cases. The first case will be here with almost no distance between the gems, like that. They almost touch each other. So this is the first one. So gems here dense, let's say. I hide that, I add a new gem, and this one, it will be, let's take citrine. Okay, to have something different. And I will make a distribution with that too, with a new collection. And this one will be gems, not dense. Or high density, as you want. And I just put it here, select the size, select the round, and make a distribute on curve again. So now I will increase the size as well, but this time I will keep a little distance between the gems here. So I will just increase that until here. It's okay. So we have two kinds of distribution. So we have the dense distribution, so they are almost each other, and we have the not dense distribution like this. Okay, and we will play with the two settings here. So first of all, we will go there and manage that with this one. So I will select by stone, and like this I will have all my stones here. You need to select all the stones that you want to set before use the setting prongs here, and you just click on prongs, and look at this, it's finished already. It's really easy to manage this one. So when they are close to each other like that, you can really play with the distance like this, and play with the position. You see that you have a 60% or 50% depending on what you want here. So it will change the position here. You can play with the intersection as well, and like this they will intersect a little like that, and as you can see, it's okay. I can just maybe add a little orientation. So this one is alignment, I guess. No, not really, I don't think so. Alignment, yeah, it's alignment, and you can see you can align like this. So I just have to align it exactly like that. You can play with the size, with the diameter here. Okay, you can put less, you can put more. You can play with the height of it. Okay, and you can play with the bottom of it, but I don't think it's really useful for that. We have to intersect with the ring here, and you can play with with the symmetry. We will not use it for now. And the bump scale here, it's for having a shape flat or something more like half a sphere. Okay, so half of it is good, near 0.5, it's okay. The taper here is to make it thicker inside, or yeah, like this. And the details, if you want more or less details, you can put less resolution. Like for example, if you say you would like maybe something like 20 should be enough. And yeah, it's okay like that. So what is good about the prongs is that they are here inside. They are already inside rounds. It means that they are parented to rounds. So if I move here the gem, you can see 2 will follow with it. And you can just select all the prongs very easily by select by thread stone. No, select, no, it will be Shift L and use material, and like this you will have all the prongs like that. And you can separate prongs into another here collection. So you can make it directly into the 3D view if you want. You don't have to manage directly here. So you can make with M. It will be moved to collection, this one, and you want to create a new collection. This collection will be prongs dance. Okay, and like that you will have your prong dance, and here you can just play with that or play with that, and they are separated, and it's the most important to understand. Okay with that. So what would be good now is to manage with the not dance here like that. So let's take 1 and select by thread stone, and we have more or less what we want. Now I would like to use prongs again, but this time I would like to play with symmetry. Not symmetry here, sorry, prong number. And prong number like this, you can see that you will have 4 around each, like that. So maybe you will need something that is less big, something like this, let's say. Maybe we can play with the position here to put it more around. Okay, and after we can play with the intersection a little more to have this kind of design. Okay, maybe the height is a little too high, something like this will be good. And now you have 4 prongs for each gem like this. So with the prong number and the symmetry, if you remove symmetry, you see you will have something like this, and you can add 3 or 4. It will work the same if you put 4 without symmetry, you will have the same result more or less. Okay, so 2 with symmetry works too. And like this you will have prongs like that. Again, you select a prong here because they are in the same here collection. So now you can select a prong, then Shift L to select here by material, and here you will make M and create a new collection. It will be prongs not dance. And that's it. Now you have everything that is set. So you have the possibility to put it at any size. It works, for example, if you have different size at world, different sizes, different locations, whatever stone you will select, it will create a prong like that around. So very useful to manage the settings. So that's it for the first way of make a setting here. We will see in the next video how to make holes inside the ring to can set the stones inside. So you can see if I move the stone here, I still have the volume here, and I would like to make a cut inside, and I will show you how it works in the next video.